Now it is time to submit your work. To submit your work, you need to save the file first. Save your file, Ctrl S or press Ctrl S key. No, it doesn't work. Okay, so it takes a little time. Or if you didn't save your work yet, so please name your work and then save the file. And don't just original file type InDesign 2020 document. Okay, so after you save your file, and then here is the way, there is an option you can share your document. So when you press the share button in the up, let's see, or you might see the publish online button on the top. I usually had a publish online button on the top, and I use a maximum size screen. But since I'm using really small screen to fit in the video recording, so what I can see is the share icon. So click the share icon, and you'll see those multiple options to save your file. So usually this is really useful if you'd like to just share the save the document, save the portfolio as a PDF document. And also I prefer to use publish online because many resume webs when you apply for subjob position, they request URL of your work, whether it is website or the document. It is always useful to have a web link of your work. So this is and Adobe provide a web link document. Save your document as a cloud. So when you publish online, you can just copy the URL of your work when you share your work on your application. And in many cases, they restrict the file size due to the too many applicants uploading a too big portfolio files, like 20 megabytes or 15 megabytes, because they would like to share their work in a really high quality. So to prevent that traffic, they request like a maximum like 5 megabyte or 10 megabyte as a maximum, or they might provide some restriction to in your page use of the page numbers, because they don't want to spend too much time. So if you share the URL of your work, there's no restriction in the file size and the page numbers. So you can share your work as much as you want, as the best way you want to present. So this is a really useful to publish online option here. So when you click the publish online option, you'll see this pop up. And general and there's advanced way, you can change the resolution and JPEG quality as well. So mostly the default setting is meets the most minimum at least minimum quality of the screen view. So if you like to adjust the detail of the document, you can go check the advanced setting. But for this exercise, I'll just expect you to put the title and then set the range. Okay, I don't know how many pages you've created, but I created at least 20 pages. It's too much, so I'll just set the range from the cover and the cover project cover page, the page I laid out, and exclude the pages I didn't do anything. So set the range from 1 through 5, or you might have 1 through 7 or 1 through 9. It depends on your current status. And if you work in a spread of facing page option, click spread. If you work in a single page layout, just click the single page. So, allow viewers to download document as a PDF. Oh, it is good. I think it's I usually check mark that PDF to share my document, because I just give more. I want the reviewers feel more convenient for and don't feel any like huddle in the challenges when they share my work. And so I don't need to hide the share button. So I think I really like current setting. So publish your work, and then when you press publish button, this showing your progress of your the post, and you can view your work, and you can copy the URL of your document. So when you click the view document, here is the view, and you can see the arrow on each side. Okay, so this is the view. So this is the one you need to share with me. Copy the URL, and also you can see the list of your document when you in the dashboard. Okay, we'll talk about that later. And so for assignment submission, here is the assignment submission and under the checkpoint, the portfolio master page. So you need to post both original InDesign file, which is InDesign format, and a link of your portfolio template. So you need to submit two types of file. One is InDesign, the original file, so I can check the use of the guide, margin setting, and the master page setting, and to share the link of your portfolio template, so I can check your understanding of the functions in InDesign and see the outcome of your understanding. And these are the things you need to consider when you set up your documents. And these are the things that should be seen in your documents: cover page, and table of contents page, and bio page, and project cover page, which I usually call a page break. And when you design the layout, think about how you can think about you didn't miss any alignment. The elements are aligned correctly, or if there's some, you can make some variation, but have some consistent. It is important to show that you purposefully ignore the alignment. So to show that you intentionally ignore the alignment is to align the rest of the elements, so you can so that you can make like variety in your design. So that is another way you can make variation, and the size and the shape wise and the placement. Those are the things you can use to make variety in your design, and the use of a variety of elements. The use of shape boxes and text boxes. So but with all the use of within all the use of the design elements, consistency should be covering the whole design appearance. Okay, so this could be a little challenging. Compared to the other modules, but I believe you can. I break down into like small pieces, so I believe you can finish them within before the next module. So without passing this module, we can go to the next step. So yeah, please please finish please try your best to finish this work, make this work, and contact me anytime with any questions. Okay, see you in the next video.